This is what happens when you pass the Texas Department of Transportation scale while they have the lights flashing and you're driving a commercial vehicle. My friends down here in South Texas don't like people breaking the law, whether it's avoiding the scale or trespassing. Our DPS officers are doing a good job of trying to secure our border. They have appreciation for those who appreciate them, respect them, and help them. That's why you saw him waving at me. I was talking with him just before that individual passed by while I was sitting on the scale. Keep your eyes wide open and your head on a swivel. Keep it between the lines and the rubber on the road. Stay safe. Stay courteous. Don't act like aggressive morons. And everybody will have a better day.